This binary tree question has appeared at every single top tech company. So given a perfect binary tree where all the leaf nodes are on the same level and each parent node has 2 children nodes, the nodes in this binary tree can have 2 children nodes and also a next node. Our task in this question is to populate each of the next pointers to point to the next right node. Now if there are no nodes on the right side, the next pointer will be set to null. Let's go over the thought process. For each of the parent node, we can connect the 2 children nodes. Now a side case that we need to handle is when 2 nodes don't share the same parent node. What we can do is set the right child of the first parents and the left child of the second parents. We will be visiting the parent nodes row by row to connect all the children nodes. Let's implement the function connect taking the root node. If roots is null, return null. Create a variable leftmost to keep track of the leftmost node at the current level. While the leftmost node is a parent node, create a variable for parents. While parents is not a node, connect the left child of the right child. If the next parents is not a node, connect the right child of the left child of the next parent node, move on to the next parents, move on to the next level after we finish the current level, and then we can return roots.